Namaste, Udyogshakti Maharashtra. My name is Dnyaneshwar Jadhav, ZOLLER India, Regional Manager. We are exhibiting in MASSIA Expo, and we have the tool presenter here to show for the showcase. This tool presenter is useful to preset your tools, so which saves the downtime, and we can set the correct tool first time, and that tool can be directly go to machine. And also we have the capability of this machine that whatever data we measured here, we can send this data directly to your CNC machine, BMC machine. Zoller is a German MNC, and we have the multiple products related to your help to your tools. We have a tool presetter, tool inspection machines, tool management solutions, tool balancer, power solutions, and so many things. We are exhibiting here in MASSIA Expo with our one of the channel partners booth.